Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to connect your PS4 DualShock controller to your smart TV. Already I have connected this Xbox One controller. Now I'm going to connect this PS4 DualShock. You can use this PS4 controller to play any games inside this Play Store. Go to settings and come to remote and accessories and click on this add accessory. See, I have connected already Xbox One wireless controller. I'm going to click this add accessory. Now it is searching for accessories. So now I need to press this PS button and share button simultaneously to pairing mode. So it should blink like this. So it should be blink like this. Once if it is blinking right, so your wireless controller will be shown here. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to choose that. It will turn on completely. See, now it got paired. So you can see this wireless controller is connected. Now I can use this as a remote. So going back on home button. So I can play any games. So I'm going to play this resume. So see, I'm playing now this game. So this is the way you can connect your PS4 DualShock controller to your smart TV. That's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much. Bye.